Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I am Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. I want to introduce a new collaboration and it's titled 7 Days of Tablescape Christmas. Now we have 6 different style tablescapes. Now I wanted to try something different and the 7th day will be your final tablescape. So let's jump into those styles. Style number 1 is a simple tablescape. Number 2, we're going to do a modern, playful tablescape. And number 3 will be a rustic charm tablescape. Number 4 will be a white Christmas. Number 5, a vintage Christmas. And number 6, a traditional Christmas. Number 7 will be your this year's tablescape for Christmas. If this will all kick off, it'll start off on December 1st and end December 7th. Now the upload times will be 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now let me know down below with the heart in the comments if you're going to participate. You don't have to do all 7, but I think it would be fun to try all 7. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you next time on Creatively Miss Me.